Hi everyone, it's Lourdes Galang of Wealthy Moms Club. So if you are asking yourself if you will purchase this bundle package that we are offering, wherein you will get the digital product selling online course plus the multiple sources of income online course, how will this bundle package course help you? So definitely for moms, it's such a big help if you will purchase this bundle package course. Kasi with this one, once you get the multiple sources of income online course, it will help you in creating multiple sources of income for yourself and for your family. It will also help you to know which business ideas or income opportunities that you should do, not just what you're seeing or kung ano yung trending or kung ano yung nakikita or nababasa mo or napapanood mo, but it should be fit to your gifts, talents, and skills, your resources, and your passion as well. And it will also help you start building your own businesses and income opportunities online. And it will also help you to have the confidence in achieving those dreams that you have not yet achieved, and also help you to know more about your gifts, talents, and skills that you can use in order to earn income because you already have it. It's just that you need to find out kung ano yun. You need to enhance at kailangan matutunan mo kung paano pa madadevelop yung mga gifts, talents, and skills na yun that you already have, that God has given you. And also, it will help you to make use of your time wisely while still earning income and building your multiple sources of income. And with the digital product selling course, that will also help you to learn about digital products, especially if you want to get into the digital product selling business. It will also help you to learn about digital product selling and in creating your own digital products. Like I started in purchasing this digital product selling course that gave me an idea to create my own online course, which is the multiple sources of income online course that I'm already selling online. And this course also helped me start to get in selling digital products as an additional source of income with the other sources of income that I already have. And this digital product selling course will also help you to resell the online course immediately and to start earning. So matututo kayo on how to resell this online courses so that you could also start earning immediately and get value for your money. So this is how this bundle package course can help you, especially for moms out there who's really looking to earn additional income or to build multiple sources of income or get into the digital product selling. Ito na yung pinaka-best package that you can get because it will really help you to learn about digital product selling, create your own online courses, start online businesses, and at the same time, create multiple sources of income. Hindi lang isang online business, several possible sources of income from what you will learn in these two bundle courses that I'm offering. And what's good about purchasing our bundle package course is that you can also resell this course or the digital product selling course and the multiple sources of income online course, and you can get value for your money. So for those who wants to purchase our bundle course that includes the digital product selling online course and multiple sources of income for moms online course, just click the link on my TikTok profile if you are on TikTok, but if you are watching this from YouTube or Facebook or Instagram, just click the link that I have posted on the description box and click the bundle course, digital product selling and multiple sources of income for moms, the one that you're seeing on your screen. If you have any questions or any concerns or any inquiries, you can contact me on my contact details that you're seeing below so that I can help you or assist you in purchasing our online courses. You can also join our Wealthy Moms Club PH community. It's a Facebook group where you can join and you can interact or connect with other moms who are also on their way of building multiple sources of income. And you can get ideas as well or engage with them so that we could build up and encourage one another as moms in starting our online businesses and creating multiple sources of income. So I'm looking forward to see you in our Facebook group community for Wealthy Moms Club, and also looking forward in you purchasing our online courses that will definitely help you as a mom and someone who wants to really get started in putting up their own online businesses. Thank you and God bless.